This man's entire neighborhood was bombed by Assad. But now he's back. Amidst the ruins, he found me and invited me for tea in his rebuilt apartment with his beautiful family. This is a story of incredible Syrian resilience. Against all odds, people are returning. Later in the video, we visit unscathed new homes. It's hard to imagine that just 2 minutes away, there are virtually no signs of war. But that's not the reality for so many. Now, with Assad gone, there's hope. Still, people are struggling. What are you doing? There's a boy in here. Can you please ask him what he's doing in here?
He collected things that he can sell, like rock and another stuff of plastic.
Are there many kids that are doing this?
Yeah.
Was his house destroyed?
بدكم دمر ولا عادي؟
دمر.
Destroy.
Oh my God. How do you say I'm terribly sorry?
يعني بيعتذر.
هذا.
Oh my God. What do you think about kids like this going through the houses?
It's not safe and it's not okay. Kids need life, joy, fun, play, not this kind of life.
This is his house?
The owner of the house that is rebuilt.
How do they know that the structure is safe?
Before they come back and live there, engineers come here and study the buildings if he is able to hold people and other stuff in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long did it take him to rebuild the house?
ليش أخذنا الوقت حتى بنيت البيت؟
أخذ شي سنة.
1 year.
Have any of his neighbors rebuilt?
بنايتنا نحن اثنين عملناها.
There are 2 people, he and his neighbor.
Did he lose any family members in the war?
أنا من عائلتي لا بس من أصدقاء أولاد أصدقائنا وقرايبيننا إيه.
From his family, no, but from friends and relatives, yeah.
Did he ever consider leaving Syria?
لا والله.
No.
لو فكرنا كنا طلعنا وخلصنا.
8 million people left. So I'm wondering what it is about Syria, what it is about homes that kept him here.
ما بتخلى عن بلدي أو بتخلى ما هذا بس أنا أطلع لبرا ما فكرت فيه.
In his age and after all these years, he can't leave the country and go as a refugee. He loves this place and he can't move out of it.
Habibi. So this is your shop? This is incredible. Just on the other side of the street, you see all that destruction. And yet here, where his shop is, it's not nearly as destroyed. If most of these buildings are abandoned, who is buying stuff from his shop?
People who come back.
There's not many.
Yeah, you want to work to live.
You start slowly.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Salam alaikum. Hi. Shizmak. Ramir. Philip. Are you? Shizmak? Rami. Philip. Hamza. Cookies and coffee. Shukran. This is incredible. I honestly never, in my wildest dreams, would have imagined this type of encounter. So thank you very, very much. Ooh, it's very hot. You know what we need to do? One cookie? Not like this. Yeah. Tamam? Nice. That's how we do it. Cheers. Some of your friends are returning to the neighborhood?
Yes.
Are you happy about that? Do you play sports? Do you play music?
Play on the phone.
Play on the phone? That's what he likes to do for fun? What do you do for fun?
Playing football.
You play football?
Watch TV.
What type of television? What do you watch?
I like film coming.
What's your favorite?
Daddy's Home.
Daddy's Home. Are you a funny guy?
Yes.
Tell me a joke. It's okay. So we're right now on the balcony, and across the street you can see all the destruction. But this here is a sign of hope that things can change and things can get better. Even here next to some of the worst destruction, you can see people are living. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.
Kifak.
تمام.
Tamam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. This is incredible. Ooh. Were you able to save anything from your old house? So they found these like in the middle of the street.
In the middle of streets and covering by water.
At least they found some. That's like the most important thing.
Yes.
That's a cute photo. I'm so glad you got that one back. Look at them. Thank you for sharing. This is beautiful. Can you ask her how happy she is to have her own kitchen?
قديش مبسوطة لأنك رجعت على البيت وتركت مطبخك الخاص.
You can see as you peer out, this is exactly where I was standing when I met this lovely gentleman. I'm sorry for interrupting your lunch. I really appreciate it. This is so special for me to come and visit with you guys. Phil's Guide to the World. I've been a lot of amazing places, my friend, but this was one of the best experiences. Shukran. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate you showing your house and sharing with me your story of hope. This is really incredible, and I hope by showing this to people around the world that they understand that the people of Homs are rebuilding and that many people still need help, but people are going back to normal lives. A wonderful experience. Okay, bye. These are my friends from across the street. Hamza.
His name is Sam, his name is Roy.
Sam and Roy. And your name?
Yes.
Elias. Hi. Very nice to meet the survivors here, the beautiful kids of Homs. Nice to meet you.
Well, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Bye. Bye. You see something like this on the news and it's one thing, but then when you're here, it's just a whole nother level and just tugs at your heart. But at the same time, you see, people are returning, they're riding their bikes, they're building new houses like the one that we just saw. It's an incredible story of perseverance. I'm standing right in the epicenter of the destruction of Old Town. You can see behind me the remains of a strip mall. It's all but gutted. The bullet holes on every level, the gutted stores. No one's gonna work here anymore. Wait a second, there's a shop. What? Is this store safe?
Yes, safe.
It's safe? Okay.
Nothing happened.
Mashallah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I said, isn't this unsafe? And he said, no, totally safe. Nothing happened.
He is very happy because right now he back and open his shop and he start working again.
So maybe when he said nothing happened, he meant he's still alive.
Yes.
One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media shows only negatively. And with your support, I will continue to places like Yemen and Algeria. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. Just a 2-minute drive away is Newtown Homes, and you would have no idea that there was a war here. These are about the only guns. Oh! These are about the only guns you'll see in Homes these days. Oh! Coming into beautiful Newtown Homes restaurant. It honestly feels like another planet.
Yes.
This restaurant, during the war, open. 3 minutes away. Mushkila. Here, not la mushkila. Yalla, let's eat.
Yalla.
Shizmak?
Fatmi.
Fatmi. And your daughter? She's more interested in the ice cream than talking to me. Understandable. Beaker. Beaker. It appears this is one of the nicest shopping districts in the city because as you see nice women's clothing, the storefronts are all in good shape.
Welcome to Syria.
Thank you. Shukran. Little kids store. Salam alaikum. Shizmak. Anas. Philip. Hamza.
Welcome, my friend.
What do we have here?
Just chocolate.
Just chocolate?
Oh my God, look how it's so beautiful.
This is chocolate?
Yes.
This isn't chocolate. This is art. What is this green one?
Pistachios. He tried all these pistachios and he make cream.
Pistachio cream.
Yeah, pistachio cream.
Shizmak.
What?
Philip, you could be my son. Syria is obviously a very diverse country and a lot of blue-eyed and green-eyed people walking around here, but this one, Walt is the cutest. Kala from Holmes says, "Hello world, how are you?"
Wicker!
Bicker!
Wicker!
Bicker!
Wicker!
People from all around the neighborhood wondering, what the hell is going on down here?
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Well guys, if you've watched any of my other Syria videos, you know this is not a vlog on war tourism, but unfortunately it's hard to escape here in Syria. My goal in this channel and my goal in this series has always been to show you the best sides of the country, the beautiful people, the beautiful food, the incredible history. But this is in fact recent history and it must be shown in order for the country to move on. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like the video. And to see some more of my awesome Syrian adventures, click here. Bicker?
Mr. Bicker. Iowa.
Iowa. Sadiq.
Sadiq, my friend, my friend.